Let us start our class. And our today's topic is also Diwali. Okay? Start writing your name in chat box. Try to listen to everyone and then focus on the topic. Have concentration. Set your mind and try to speak as well as you can. Okay? So now start writing your names. Yes, come on, Drashya. You have only 3 minutes time. Each of you will be given 3 minutes time to speak upon the topic. So now you can start.
Hello everyone, I am Drishta Agrawal. Today I am going to tell you about Diwali. Diwali is a festival and it is also given by our ancestors. All our festivals are given by our ancestors and Diwali is also a festival. So I will tell you first of all that what happens before Diwali. Before Diwali we go to market and purchase many things like new clothes, sweets and crackers, etc. We also purchased some material like diyas and the मूर्ति सर मूर्ति को क्या बोलते हैं
Statues.
and the statues of gods and Diwali is not a small festival, it is a festival of 5 days. Every day is celebrated different at a um, different types से
Different
प्रकार से
ways, in different ways.
yes sir in different ways every festival or every day is celebrated in different ways um, on the first day celebrated as Dhanteras. Everyone think that purchasing purchasing metal things and purchasing anything is auspicious on this day. But it is not right thing. We should help the needy ones who need their helps, and we should give them clothes and food. Um, on this day, we we go to market and purchase many things. The second day is known as Choti Diwali. On this day is also known as Roop Chaturdashi and Narak Chaturdashi. Um, in the night, we we worship Lord 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 Ganesha and Lord Lakshmi
Goddess Lakshmi.
and Goddess Lakshmi. Um, and on the third day is known as Badi Diwali. On this day, the people in morning they take a bath. After that, they wear new clothes. Then in the in the night they hug their relatives and their family and fire crackers with their family. We should not fire crackers when we are alone. We should fire crackers when we are with our family because they can hurt anyone
Your
or they
time
can
is
also.
over. I am giving you 30 seconds more. Yes, hurry up.
The next day is known as Dhanteras. On this day, Dhanteras, sorry, Govardhan Puja. On this day, we make a dung cake in our house and decorate it and worship it. We decorate it with the sparkle colors, etc.
Time is over.
Okay, sir.
Yes, now Preeti.
Good evening, all of you. Today, our topic is Diwali. Diwali is the most important festival of Hindus, but it is celebrated by all the religions. It is the festival of 5 day series, but the preparation of Diwali are started 1 month ago. This festival, we think that this festival is started from the Navratras. After 9 days of Navratras, we celebrate Dashera, and we clean our houses, we whitewash our houses, we paint our houses, and we clean our shops, and we buy new clothes from the market and candles, diyas to decorate our houses. And Diwali, as I told you, that Diwali is the 5 day series. The first day we celebrate Diwali because Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya on this day after 14 years exile. And people were very happy. The Ayodhya people were very happy on this day, so they light the candles and diyas to celebrate this day. And from that day, we started to celebrate this day as Diwali. And now, every year we celebrate it on Kartik Amavasya. Now, the first day of Diwali, we celebrate Dhanteras. We purchase vessels and many new metal things and ornaments and machineries on this day, because it is said that it is very lucky to buy the things on this day. On the next day, which is the second day, we celebrate Choti Diwali, which is also called Roop Chaturdashi and Nark Chaturdashi. Nothing special is done on this day, but we light candles and diyas on this day also. And the third day, which is the main festival, that is Diwali, is celebrated on this day. We decorate our houses, and the shops and markets are also decorated on this day. We wear new clothes. Many delicious foods are prepared in houses, and we buy sweets on this day. We exchange sweets on this day, and many people who live out of their houses, they come back to their houses, and they celebrate this festival with their family. On this day, we worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha at night. After the worship, we the children and the family members fire crackers together, and they have the dinner together. And on the next day, we celebrate Govardhan Puja. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna, because on this day, Lord Krishna picked the Govardhan hill on his little finger and saved the people of Mathura and Gokul by the curse of Lord Indra.
30 seconds more.
Okay, sir. And we make effigy of cow with cow dung and buffalo dung on this day, and we worship that. And next, which is the last day, we this is the festival of brothers and sisters, that is called Bhai Dooj. On this day, the sisters apply tika on their brothers' forehead, and they pray for their brothers' welfare. And the brothers give gifts to their sisters, and they tell them, promise them to protect them whole life. That's it.
Very good. Nice flow.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Shri,
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika. Today I tell you about Diwali. There are so many festivals in India, but Diwali is most important festival for Hindus. It is celebrated. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama, because on this day, Lord Lord Ram
came back.
came back came back to Ayodhya. And Diwali is celebrated by 5 days.
4-5 days.
हाँ सर बोल रहे हैं ना 4-5 days.
Hmm.
4-5 days. First day is celebrated as Govardhan, as Dhanteras. On this day, people purchase ornaments and utensils and gold and silver, etc. Next day is celebrated Choti Diwali, and next day is celebrated main festival Diwali. On this day, people put on new clothes, and on this day, people purchase sweets, and new dishes are made in homes, and on this day people are very happy, and mm, on on this day, in evening, people Lord Ganesh and Devi Lakshmi are worshipped,
Hmm.
and after worship, children fire firecrackers,
Hmm.
and youngers take blessings from elders,
Hmm.
and next next day is celebrated Govardhan. On on this day, people made
Make
make make dal bati churma,
Hmm.
ankut, and it is made in temples also and in homes. And um, last day is celebrated Bhai Dooj. It is festival of sister and brothers. On this day, sister apply the tika on 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 her on her brother forehead,
Hmm.
and brother give 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 her um, give her money and
30 seconds more.
gifts.
Yes.
And
Hmm.
these festivals are most important for ladies, because ladies on these festivals, ladies can remove their problems and um, tensions, etc. And I like that festival so much. Mm, that's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोलने लगे हो बेटा. Very good. Shabash.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, come on, Arshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit, and I am the student of BA Tramban online Telugu classes. As we all know that today's our topic is on Diwali. Is
नहीं, on
Diwali?
Diwali नहीं बोलते. Today's our topic is Diwali.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
India is the country of festival. Many festivals are celebrated there, but Diwali is very important festival to Hindus.
Of Hindus.
Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. First day, Dhanteras is celebrated. Second day, Choti Diwali, and third day Badi Diwali, and fourth day Govardhan Puja, and fifth day Bhai Dooj is celebrated.
Hmm.
First I am telling about Dhanteras. Dhanteras is the story of Dhanteras is related to the Dhanvantri, and that day people buy utensils, gold, silver, vehicles, etc.
Shabash. Hmm.
Our ancestors said that we should not buy these things on the occasion of festival. We can buy it anytime.
Hmm.
But they think that if they will buy the vehicles and gold and silver, etc., so it is the good time for buying them. So that's why they buy them.
Hmm.
Second day is Choti Diwali. Choti Diwali is also known as Roop Chaturdashi.
Hmm.
Day people fire lamps and crackers in their houses,
Hmm.
and they worship of gods,
ये वॉफ
and
मत लगाओ. They worship gods. हाँ.
they worship gods. And next day the main festival is celebrated Diwali.
Hmm.
That day people wear simple clothes and they worship of goddess
बेटा ऑफ
Lakshmi.
नहीं, ऑफ नहीं. Worship के बाद ऑफ नहीं.
Okay, sir. They worship goddess Lakshmi and God Ganesha.
Hmm.
That day, people help to poor and give सर शुभकामना को क्या बोलेंगे?
And
Great.
exchange best wishes.
And exchange best wishes with their neighbors. that day people fire crackers in their houses and in front of their houses. And this festival is very good because and the pollution is also ahead in on this day. Next day Govardhan is celebrated.
30 seconds more. Yes.
Okay, sir. On this the story of Govardhan Puja is related with Lord Krishna because Lord Krishna saved the people of Gokul from the curse of Lord Indra.
Very good. Huh.
He picked the hill Govardhan on his little finger. That day, women keep fast and people make the hills from the dung like the Govardhan. And
Time
last
is
day,
over. Time is over.
okay, sir.
Yes, मैं आपको 10 सेकंड और दे रहा हूँ, फटाफट पूरा करो.
Last day, Bhai Dooj is celebrated. That day, sisters pick tika on their brother's forehead, and that day brothers give promise to save their sisters. So by this way, sisters and brothers, by this day, Diwali is celebrated. That's all, sir.
ओके, ठीक है, अच्छा है. थोड़ा सा टेंस का ध्यान रखो. पास्ट टेंस
Okay,
को
sir.
थोड़ा सा अच्छे से यूज करो आप. थोड़ा
Okay,
सा
sir.
माइंड में रखो आप इन चीजों को, है ना, कि पास्ट का सेंटेंस
Okay,
मैं
sir.
बोल रहा हूँ, फोकस करोगे तब हो जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
बाकी ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. स्वानी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Suhani, and today I am going to tell you about. Today I am going to tell you about Diwali. Diwali is the most popular festival of India, and it's celebrated in India every year, and it is very good festival for Indian people. And the Diwali is celebrated in Kartik Maas. Celebrated in Kartik Maas Amavasya, and it is very good festival, and it is celebrated in 5 days. Celebrated in 5 days.
4-5 days.
For 5 days. First of all, I tell you about Dhanteras. Dhanteras is very good festival, and it is very good festival, and it is so good festival, and people purchase gold, silver, and many things on this day. After Dhanteras, Choti Diwali celebrate. On Choti Diwali is Chaturdashi, is Roop Chaturdashi. Not more thing on this day. So people ready for Diwali and purchase crackers, diyas, and many things on this day. After Choti Diwali, Badi Diwali is celebrated. It is the main festival of period of 5 days. It is so good festival, and it is the celebrate in honor of the memory of Lord Ram. Lord Ram came Ayodhya
Came back
on
to Ayodhya.
came back to Ayodhya on this day, and he complete their exile on
After
this day.
completing his exile.
After completing his exile, he came back to Ayodhya on this day. It is the Amavasya night, so moon is not sir, चांद निकलने को क्या कहेंगे? Moon is not rise.
Moon does not rise.
Moon does not rise on this day, so people welcome to Lord Ram. Lord Ram after before fire नहीं सर, दीप जलाने को क्या कहेंगे? दीपक को
Lighting, people light the दीपक्स, दियाज. अब आप भटक गए, आप इधर उधर कर दिया आपने सारे थॉट्स. बोलो, आप टाइम होने वाला है आपका. बोलो.
Okay, sir. People light the diyas after Diwali.
30 seconds more. Yes,
Okay,
hurry
sir.
up.
After Diwali, Govardhan is celebrated. On Govardhan, women
keep fast on this day, and they make statue of dung, and at night on this day, women complete their fast and worship their statue of dung. And after Govardhan, Bhai Dooj is celebrate. Bhai Dooj is celebrate. It is the festival of sister and brother. Sister apply tika to her brother's head
10
and
सेकंड मोर, जल्दी करो. हाँ,
to their brother's forehead, and brother gives gift to his sister according to his ability. That's all, sir.
वेरी गुड. आप है ना, एक तो इज सेलिब्रेटेड होना चाहिए, आप खाली सेलिब्रेट बोलते हो, थोड़ा ध्यान रखो आप. और बीच में आपने गड़बड़ कर दी है ना, चांद नहीं होता है आकाश में, ये फालतू बातों से क्या लेना देना है, मेन बातों को बताया करो ना आप.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, इधर उधर भटक जाते हो आप बार बार. थोड़ा थॉट्स को पकड़ के रखो आप बेटा. हाँ, ये एबिलिटी अपने अंदर पैदा करो आप, ध्यान रखोगे तब पैदा होगी ये. यस अशफाक.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan and I am the student of Rambad English Moral and Detective classes. Today's our topic is Diwali. All the festivals are important for us, but Diwali is most important festival for us. Before it, we clean our houses and shops, and we paint our houses and shops also. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram, because on that day Lord Ram came back to Ayodhya from Vanvas. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days. First is Dhanteras. On that day, people purchase silver, gold, and wheels. But this is not right. On that day, we should help to poor. Next is Choti Diwali. Choti Diwali is also called Roop Chaturdashi. This day we also lighting diyas in front of our houses. Next is Diwali. This is the main part of Diwali. On that day we decorate our houses with lighting, and on that day we put on new clothes, and all the women's make very delicious food in their houses, and they cook sweets also. And on that day we fire crackers, but this is not right, because this is the सर साधन है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं,
क्या
ये यानी कि पोल्यूशन का साधन है ये.
साधन थोड़ी होता है. दिस इज द सोर्स ऑफ पॉल्यूशन कर दो आप. चलो,
This is the source of pollution.
या इट कॉजेज पॉल्यूशन.
So it causes pollution. So we should not fire crackers. Next is Govardhan Puja. This festival is related memory of Lord Krishna. And next is Bhai Dooj. On that day, sisters are apply tika.
आर क्यों लगा रहे हो? सिस्टर्स अप्लाई टीका एक्टिव ही तो बन रहा है.
Okay, sir. Sister apply tika their brothers,
टू देयर ब्रदर्स.
and their brothers give gift according his ability. That's it, sir.
ओके, ठीक है. आज तो अच्छा बोला आपने. कल से थोड़ा फोकस किया करो. अभी ये टाइम
सर, आज
है,
focus
मैंने बिल्कुल फोकस करोगे तब आएगा ना. बार बार कहता हूँ तुम्हें.
सर,
हड़बड़ाहट
आज
में थोड़ी
focus.
कोई फोकस किया तो वो रिजल्ट आ रहा है ना सामने.
Yes, sir.
कोशिश
सब
करना
कुछ
चाहिए.
करा
बिल्कुल. डिस्टरबेंस होगा तो कैसे कर पाओगे आप? माइंड में थॉट्स ही नहीं आएंगे, फोकस ही नहीं
Yes.
करोगे, कंसंट्रेशन नहीं होगा तो कैसे होगा? हिंदी में नहीं बोल सकते आप? इंग्लिश तो
बोल
छोड़ दो, आप
सकते
हिंदी
हैं.
में ही नहीं बोल पाओगे आप.
Yes, sir, नहीं
चलो
बोल
ऐसी
सकते.
कोशिश किया करो. यस मोना.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Meena. Today my topic is Diwali. Diwali is most important festival of India.
Hmm.
This celebrate in memory of Lord. It comes in the
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
month of it comes in the month of Kartik.
माइक को पास रखा करो
It
आप.
is festival
माइक को बार बार
of-
दूर कर देते हो आप.
सर पास में है. It is a festival of light.
बोलते जाओ छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस.
और दिवाली celebrate for 5 Dhanteras. People purchase gold, silver, and others. Next day, Choti Diwali is celebrated. Some people puts on new clothes and Lakshmi ji and Ganesh ji are worship in night. Some people fire crackers. After it, Govardhan is celebrated. This day celebrate in memory of Lord Krishna. This day, people made Ankuta.
मेड नहीं मेक. हाँ बोलो. आप
Make
बोल तो
Ankuta.
सही रहे हो, आप अच्छा बोल रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी आवाज जो है ना वो गड़बड़ हो जाती है. बोलो बोलो.
And make Ankuta. Day Bhai Dooj. It and sister brother and the brother give gifts. They this day people are happy. That's it.
बाकी तो सब ठीक है. आप बोल तो अच्छा रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी आवाज ही बहुत ज्यादा कट जाती है. आप इस सिस्टम को ठीक करो थोड़ा सा, या तो आपके पास में डेटा कम रह जाता है लास्ट में. हैं? आपकी आवाज इतनी ज्यादा कट जाती है कि
माइक तो पास में ही है.
नहीं, माइक तो पास में है, लेकिन ये नेट का इश्यू है. या तो आपके फोन में डेटा बहुत कम रह गया. अब मैं बता दूं बात आपको, या तो डेटा बहुत ज्यादा कम रह गया, या थोड़ा बाहर जाओ आप. दोनों में से कुछ एक कारण हो सकता है. बोल तो आप अच्छा रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी आवाज ही बहुत ज्यादा कट रही है. थोड़ा सा ठीक करो आप इसको, अपने सिस्टम को. यस, कम ऑन आस्था.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today I am telling you about Diwali. Diwali, India is the country of festivals.
आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है, थोड़ा ठीक करो आवाज को. माइक को पास में रखो.
India is the country of festivals. Diwali is one of them. Diwali is a famous festival of India and Hindus. Hindus celebrate this festival with enjoy.
With joy, बेटा.
With joy. This festival started with Navratras.
Started क्यों? Start आएगा, टेंस का ध्यान रखो.
This festival starts with Navratras. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days.
आराम से बोलो, ऐसे बोलो बिल्कुल.
First, I am telling you about Dhanteras. We purchase many things like jewelry, utensils, etc. of gold and silver. We also purchase vehicles on this day. Next, I am telling you about Choti Diwali. It is also known as Narak Chaturdashi.
Yes.
It is not very important, but we purchase sweets from market on this day. most of the people also make sweets in their houses.
Very good. हाँ.
All people clean their houses and paint their shops and houses. Next, I am telling you about the famous festival Diwali. This festival is very necessary for us. This festival is the lights. We decorate our houses on this day. It is celebrate in the memory of
Celebrated.
Lord Ram.
Celebrated.
It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram. His brother Lakshman and his wife Sita come to Ayodhya from Banvas.
आवाज कहाँ गई?
Come to Ayodhya from Banvas.
कम क्यों? केम आएगा ना बेटा, टेंस का ध्यान रखा करो ना आप.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
Came to Ayodhya from Banvas. We fire crackers on this day.
30 seconds more.
We make delicious food in our house on this day. Next, I am telling you about Govardhan Puja. Women make a statue of dung and worship it. They take fast on this day.
They take नहीं, they keep या they have.
They have fast on this day. Govardhan is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna.
Celebrated, passive voice बन रहा है वो. It's celebrated. Verb form में बहुत ध्यान रखा करो. हाँ.
It's celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram.
Lord Krishna. हाँ.
Next. Lord Krishna. Next, I am telling you about Bhai Dooj.
Hurry up, more 10 seconds more. Yes.
It is the festival of brothers and sisters. Brothers have fast on this day and apply tilak on their sister's head.
उल्टा बोल गई.
Forehead.
भाई लगाते हैं कि बहन लगाती है टीका?
Sir, sister apply tilak on their brother's forehead and brothers give gifts to sisters. So that's it.
Very good. थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म पे ध्यान रखा करो आप. बाकी तो सब ठीक है ना? थोड़ा सा फोकस करो आप वर्ब फॉर्म पे, और आपकी आवाज भी गड़बड़ा जाती है कई बार. बाकी सब ठीक है आपका. कल से बहुत अच्छा है आज आपका. यस सिमरन.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran and today our topic is about Diwali. Diwali is an important festival for us. Diwali is celebrated. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Ram. Diwali is a main festival of India. The first day it is celebrated in 5 days.
4-5 days.
First day
in 5 days.
4-5
days. हाँ.
4-5 days. First day is known as Dhanteras. On this day, people purchase something new because they thought it is good. And on this day, people clean and decorate their homes. And the next day is called Choti Diwali. It is not very special, but on this day, people go to market and buy some sweets and some crackers and some worship things. And next day is the main day. It is called Diwali. On this day, Lakshmi is worshipped. And people decorate their houses with candles and electric lights
Shabash.
and diyas. And on this day, we keep our all expensive thing on the temple of our house.
In the temple.
In the temple of our house.
Hmm.
And on this day, Goddess Lakshmi enter our home and give bless people.
And bless people या give blessings to people. हाँ बोलो.
And the next day is known as Govardhan. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna. Celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna because they save his.
Safe नहीं save. They say because he saved.
Because he saved the people by Lord Indra anger.
From Lord Indra's anger, हाँ.
From Lord Indra's anger, she takes Govardhan mountain on his little finger, and
30 seconds more.
On this day, people make a statue of Dunk and worship it. On this day, all women have a fast. And next day is called Bhai Dooj. On this day, sister invite their brothers and
10 seconds more. Hurry up.
Apply a tilak on his forehead and brother give blessing to her sisters. And they give gift for their sisters. Thank you, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. अच्छा है. कोशिश करते रहो बस. Very good. Yes, now Vansh, come.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Today's topic is Diwali. There are many festivals celebrated in India, Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, etc. But most popular festival is Diwali. We celebrate Diwali. It is big festival because it is 5 days festival. First day we celebrate Dhanteras. We purchase new vehicles, gold, silver, etc. The second day we celebrate Choti Diwali. We worship Ganesh ji. Then we finish सर आरती को क्या बोलते हैं?
आरती को आरती बोल दो.
Then we finish आरती. Then we fire crackers. Then third day celebrate Diwali. We worship Lord Ram. Lord Ram came to Ayodhya with Sita ji and Lakshman ji. We purchase new clothes and put on new clothes. Then fourth day we celebrate Govardhan. We worship Govardhan. Then we fire crackers. Then fifth day celebrate Bhai Dooj.
Fifth day is
celebrated Bhai Dooj. Sisters come to brother's house and apply tika. Then brothers gift to sisters. And we सर्वादेव क्या बोलते हैं?
Promise.
We promise every problem help.
Brothers promise sisters to sisters to help them in every problem.
Brothers help to sisters every problem to help. It is very important festival for all. That's it.
ओके, कल से अच्छा बोला है, कोशिश करो, समझ रहे हो? और रिकॉर्डिंग डालते हो ना आप?
यस सर।
मैंने पता नहीं आज आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग सुनी या नहीं सुनी, रिकॉर्डिंग डालते रहो आप रोजाना, ठीक है ना? सुनी थी, मैंने रिप्लाई कर दिया था क्या?
यस सर।
हाँ, आप करते रहो रोजाना रोजाना बस, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
हाँ, कोई ना कोई रिकॉर्डिंग आप रोजाना, जो टॉपिक आप लिखते हो ना, जो मैंने पैराग्राफ दे रखे हैं,
यस सर।
बिना देखे बोलना उसको और रिकॉर्डिंग करते रहो,
ओके
ठीक है?
यस सर।
कोशिश करते रहो बस। यस, विनय मैडम।
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about something Diwali. Diwali is the festival. It is celebrated all over the India, and new clothes are purchased on this festival. Houses and shops are cleaned on this festival, on the occasion of this festival, and rich food and delicious food are made on this festival. And Diwali is celebrating the memory of Lord Rama. It is said that on this day Rama come back from
नहीं, came back. मैडम टेंस का ध्यान रखो आप, बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान रखो आप टेंस का।
Came back from the 14-year exile. People were very happy. So houses and shops were decorated this day in the honor of Rama. And it is not a one-day festival. It is a series of festivals. On first day we celebrate Dhanteras. People purchase gold, silver, and electric appliances on this day. It is said that it is a very auspicious day of purchasing. And second day known as Choti Diwali, and nothing special is done on this day. Third day we celebrate main festival. On this day, houses and shops are decorated with flowers, light, and bandarwans and all other decorative things. People wear new clothes and lighten the light. And Lord Krishna, Lord Ganesha, and Goddess Lakshmi are worshipped on this day. After worship, we eat sweets and cracker the fires.
And firecrackers.
And fire the crackers in the night. And the fourth day we celebrate Govardhan Puja. It is celebrated in the memory of Lord Krishna, because on this day Krishna saved people of Gokul from the curse of Indra. And the last day we celebrate Bhai Dooj. Sister gives dry fruits and sweets to their brother, and brother also gave them return gift. And they gave a promise to them.
Give promise, nahi, they promise them.
They promise them that they will protect them when they are in problem. And so Diwali is celebrated with a very joy and happy. It is a very joyful and it is a very great festival for all Indians. That's it.
Very good, very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला, टाइम पे बोला आज आपने. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे ही. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, Anjali.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today my topic Diwali. There are many festivals celebrated in India. Diwali is big festival. Diwali is most important festival in India. Diwali is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya. Diwali is celebrated as Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya. It is celebrated in October or November each year. And shops. People purchase many different things like new clothes, new vehicles, goods, etc. Children purchase crackers. People decorated their house.
Decorated क्यों? Decorate tense का ध्यान रखो.
People decorate their house and shops.
हाँ.
people makes sweet. Diwali is celebrated for 5 days.
Very good.
First of all, people celebrated Dhanteras.
कि सेलिब्रेटेड क्यों?
Celebrated Dhanteras.
ध्यान रखो थोड़ा सा, फोकस करो. हाँ.
And this day many people purchase gold, silver, vehicles, etc. After it, people celebrate Choti Diwali. This day, people worship Lord Yamraj. And after it, people worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. All people wear new clothes. And this day, children firecracker. People exchange gifts with relatives and friends.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, very good. हाँ.
After it, people worship Govardhan Puja. This day, people make Ankuta. This is very tasty. After it, people celebrate Bhai Dooj. On this day, sister apply tika on her brother forehead. On this day, brother gives gift to her sister.
To his sister.
To his sister. Everyone is happy this day. That's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. अंजलि बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गई.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बोलते हो ना, अब यही राज है बस आपका. और कंसंट्रेशन रखते हो, घबराते नहीं हो. पहले तो घबरा जाते थे, अब
तो पहले बहुत घबराता था.
अब तो घबराहट सारी खत्म हो गई तुम्हारी, बिल्कुल खत्म हो गई. और थोड़े दिनों में खत्म हो जाएगी, चिंता मत करो. सबका हो गया? क्लोज कर रहा हूं मैं.